Welcome to MacTag TV. We're here to present you the Giovanni Couture collection. This one is actually a very nice mermaid, very flattering, style number 73022. The whole dress is actually going to fit perfectly like a glove, and also just so you know, this dress is completely ruched from the waist, the high point of the waist, down to the lower end of the thighs. So this dress is actually going to be really forgiving. So for example, if you want to wear a mermaid and if you don't want to show like little bumps, this dress is actually a really good dress to go with. And as you can see, this dress actually has a real bustier. The mermaid has a real bustier, so it's going to take you in. It's also going to enhance your waist, and of course the bust is going to be supported with the cups and the real wires. So it's a really pretty dress, very comfortable dress, and also it's going to do a lot for you. Of course, the Giovanni collection, as you all know, Crystal collection is really in right now for Giovanni. So this Giovanni dress also is going to have very beautiful crystal work on it. This time it's going to be multi-colors, and you have these very rich jewel colors like greens and this beautiful purple. So let's look at the back. The back is going to be very pretty. It's going to have the zipper onto the middle. It's going to be an invisible zipper. And because it's ruched, you will have this very nice fit onto the dress. Of course, this mermaid dress has a train, as you can see, so it's going to actually look really nice when you're going to be walking away. You will have a very nice train. And also something I forgot to say is that this mermaid dress has a slit onto the front, so your legs are going to show and your accessories as well. As you can see right here. The slit, of course, is sewn onto the seams, so if you feel like, or if you do not like seams, there's a lot of people that do not like to have the open slits with their dresses. They actually can close it because it's onto the seam. Alright, so this was the 73022, and if you have any questions about this beautiful mermaid dress, you can always contact us or go on www.mactagmart.com for more tips. Thank you.